So you come to use your drill, you think, the battery's flat, I'm going to charge it now. Put him on, you get a red light, which is a charge light. Then all of a sudden, you get this one, which is battery broken. Red, green, red, green. So what I'm going to do is take this apart. Right, so I've actually got 4 of these batteries that like to bring up the green and red light. So let's get one of these apart. I think if you stick a screwdriver, you've got 3 tabs, you can get this. There we go. Right. So there's the lid. Set that aside. Let's get these out of here. Oh, nice. Set that aside. Weird little foamy type thing. Okay, right, 3 cells. Okay, so just took another battery apart. This is a cheap eBay special, Chinese, and this is an actual Makita one. You can see the quality is a lot better, but this is all sort of taped together. But if you look at the battery, you've got some corrosion, and this actually gives you a number. So that is SEUS1865OVT. So I'll do a search on that and see if we can get some of these batteries. Right, so I did a search online for these batteries, these old ones, and it seems like these are quite an old battery and they've been superseded. So I was reading online and I've ordered some batteries from a company called eSigers, and it's a Sony VTC4 18650, and then this replaces them old batteries. So what I'm going to do is stick these batteries together and see what happens. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen, but we'll give it a go. Okay, so I've just split them old batteries apart quickly just to check some voltages. So on that one, I'm getting 3.7, which is probably okay, that one. 2.8, which that might charge, and nothing. So that's probably the dead cell, that one with the corrosion. That is probably not letting this battery pack charge, so I could have probably just replaced one. So what I might try and do is make another battery pack out of all these other batteries I've got. Okay, so I've now got the battery pack back in the drill. My soldering skills are rubbish, but it's all back together. It's all under there, the new 3 batteries are in. It works. I'm just going to say, guys, if you're not confident with soldering irons and batteries and stuff, this is quite a dangerous process to get this to go. I also will say that I've used this drill, you know, I've made the batteries go flat and I've stuck it on the charge and it does charge up okay. I've also put my multimeter on it and it does get to the 10.8 volts, so which is good. We shall see how long it lasts, but this fix worked for me. If you want any more you know, information, just give us a comment below and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.